The Piri Reis map is a fascinating artifact that has long puzzled researchers and historians. Created in 1513, the map depicts a variety of locations, including the Americas, Europe, Africa, and Asia. However, what makes the Piri Reis map truly remarkable is its depiction of Antarctica, which wasn't officially discovered until 1818, more than 300 years after the map was created. The map was named after its creator, Ottoman Turkish cartographer and Admiral Piri Reis. Reis was a well-respected figure in the Ottoman Empire, known for his skills in cartography and navigation. The Piri Reis map is just one of many maps he created throughout his career, but it's by far the most famous. The map was discovered in 1929 in the Topkapi Palace in Istanbul, Turkey, and immediately caught the attention of historians and cartographers. In addition to its accurate depiction of the coastlines of the Americas and Africa, the map also includes a number of annotations and illustrations that shed light on the world as it was known at the time. However, what really set the Piri Reis map apart from other maps of the era was its depiction of Antarctica. The map includes a surprisingly detailed outline of the continent, complete with mountains, rivers, and coastlines. The map even includes a note that reads, "These coasts are shown without errors or defects." This level of accuracy is remarkable, especially considering that Antarctica wasn't officially discovered until the early 19th century. How could a map created in 1513 include such detailed information about a continent that was completely unknown to the rest of the world? There are a number of theories that attempt to explain this mystery. Some historians have suggested that the information on the Piri Reis map may have been obtained from ancient sources, such as maps created by the ancient Greeks or Phoenicians. Others have suggested that the information was passed down through oral tradition among indigenous peoples who had knowledge of the region. One particularly intriguing theory suggests that the information on the Piri Reis map may have been obtained from an ancient civilization that had knowledge of Antarctica. Supporters of this theory point to the fact that the map includes a number of anomalies that can't be explained by current scientific knowledge, such as the presence of rivers and mountain ranges that don't exist today. In any case, the Piri Reis map remains a fascinating and mysterious artifact that continues to intrigue historians and cartographers today. Whether the map is evidence of an ancient civilization with advanced knowledge of the world or simply a testament to the skills of a talented Ottoman cartographer, it's clear that the Piri Reis map is a remarkable piece of history that will continue to captivate people for years to come. While the Piri Reis map has been the subject of much speculation and debate, there are several facts about the map that can be verified. For example, the map is believed to have been created using a combination of contemporary European maps and nautical charts, as well as older maps that are no longer extant. In addition to its detailed depiction of Antarctica, the Piri Reis map also includes a number of other features that make it a valuable historical document. For example, the map includes illustrations of various creatures, such as elephants and camels, that were not native to the Americas but were known to European audiences. The map also includes several annotations and comments from Piri Reis himself, such as a note explaining the origin of the name America. Despite the many mysteries that surround the Piri Reis map, it's clear that the map is a valuable historical artifact that offers a unique glimpse into the world as it was known in the early 16th century. Whether the map is evidence of an ancient civilization with advanced knowledge of the world or simply a testament to the skills of a talented Ottoman cartographer, it's a fascinating document that will continue to capture the imaginations of historians and laypeople alike. Lake Vostok is one of the most intriguing and mysterious bodies of water on the planet. Located in the heart of Antarctica, it is the largest subglacial lake in the world, covered by more than 2 miles of ice. Despite its extreme isolation and inhospitable conditions, scientists have long been fascinated by Lake Vostok and have conducted several expeditions to study its unique ecosystem. Discovery and exploration of Lake Vostok. Lake Vostok was first discovered in 1957 by a Soviet research team led by Dr. Andrei Kapitsa. Using radar equipment to study the ice sheet covering the continent, the team detected an unusual anomaly in the ice that suggested the presence of a large body of water underneath. For the next several decades, researchers continued to study the area around Lake Vostok, using a variety of methods to try and penetrate the ice and access the lake itself. However, it wasn't until 1996 that a team of Russian researchers finally succeeded in drilling through the ice and reaching the surface of the lake. Over the next several years, researchers continued to explore the lake, using remote sensing techniques and submersible robots to collect data and samples from the lake's unique ecosystem. What they found was truly remarkable. Despite being cut off from the outside world for more than 15 million years, Lake Vostok was teeming with life. Life in Lake Vostok. One of the most surprising discoveries made by researchers studying Lake Vostok was the presence of a thriving ecosystem of bacteria and other microorganisms. The lake is home to a variety of unique species that have adapted to the extreme conditions, including the complete absence of sunlight and the presence of high levels of pressure and salt. In addition to these microorganisms, researchers have also discovered evidence of larger organisms in the lake. In 2012, a team of Russian researchers claimed to have discovered DNA from a species of octopus in the lake, although this claim has been met with skepticism from some scientists. The study of Lake Vostok and its unique ecosystem has provided valuable insights into the potential for life to exist in extreme environments. It has also helped to shed light on the geologic history of Antarctica and the processes that shape the continent's ice sheet. Controversies and concerns. Despite the many scientific discoveries made by researchers studying Lake Vostok, there have also been some controversies and concerns surrounding their work. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for contamination of the lake's ecosystem by the drilling and exploration activities of researchers. To mitigate this risk, researchers have taken extensive precautions to ensure that their activities do not harm the lake's unique ecosystem. They have also implemented a number of protocols to ensure that any samples collected from the lake are handled and analyzed in a way that minimizes the risk of contamination. Another controversy surrounding the study of Lake Vostok is the question of who has the right to conduct research in the area. Because the lake is located in a region of Antarctica that is claimed by several different countries, there is ongoing debate about the legal and ethical implications of drilling and exploring the lake. Despite these controversies and concerns, the study of Lake Vostok remains one of the most important and fascinating scientific endeavors of our time. As researchers continue to explore the lake and unlock its secrets, we are sure to learn even more about the unique and remarkable ecosystem that lies beneath the ice.